Continuing the news, a masterpiece and a work in progress. The Denbigh High School in Clarendon has unveiled a new and improved visual arts department. More in this report from Yannick Williams.
Ray of Hope, brought to you by
Quartz has what you need to make home yours. Easy payment plans using Quartz Ready Finance. Quartz, make home yours.
A new canvas for creativity. Students and school administrators at the Denbigh High School in Clarendon could not contain their excitement during the opening of the rehabilitated visual arts department.
1, 2, 3.
The teachers like kids in a candy store, a $1.6 million store. The difference is that this store came at no cost to the school. Denbigh received the donation from Dr. Laverne Da Costa of the Arizona State University in the United States.
Every child can learn and every child must learn.
Dr. Da Costa, who is Jamaican and also from Clarendon, teaches arts to tertiary students. Boasting about her humble beginnings, she knows that having access to the latest equipment will increase students' exposure and provide them with more options to learn from. High off the new gear is visual arts teacher Giovanni Nembard.
We're going to be able to print on various materials, so whether it be metal, fabric, ceramic, anything you need, we are able to do that in the future. And also in the future to even do car wrapping, so the graphic components of wrapping the car, that's one of the things that I am very eager to teach my students how to do.
Principal Annette Daly says, academia aside, the school prides itself in vocational studies. She says the improved visual arts department will help to lift the school's profile, but also give students the opportunity to sketch, paint, design, cut, and paste their own dreams.
At Denbigh, we do the vocations, and we find that the students, apart from doing the traditional subjects, once they now have a vocation, that is an area that they can branch off into as their main job, or it could be an additional job.
Currently, Denbigh only offers visual arts at the CSEC level, but the school has been preparing to offer the program to sixth formers. The school's good fortune has not ended in Clarendon. Dr. Da Costa, who has earned the title Denbigh's fairy godmother, says she is preparing to advocate for visual arts students to be included in an exchange program at the Arizona State University.
So they'll come learn from the students there, and they will in turn learn from your students, learn about the different culture particularly, and the different ways in which we use technology, and it would be mutual beneficial.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Yannick Williams.